Hello, welcome to the new video about Lowins. Today I would like to show you how to buy games in Lowins. So how to do it? So all you need to do is just go to the games tab, just click right here. This is the new tab, and here you can find a lot of cool offers from Lowins. For example, you can buy 300 games for $1. So all you need to do is just click on it, okay, and you'll see this window. So as you can see, now you wanna buy it for $1. You can do it with your PayPal account, with your credit or debit card, or you can redeem a code. So the easiest way, just add your credit or debit card, just add your information right here, or just scan your card and click on Save Card. And after that, just confirm the operation. And after it, at the top right, you'll see your games. So as you can see, now I have 50 games. So hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.